How many candles would it take to heat up the Earth by 1 degree? Because when you forget your thermostat, clearly the next logical solution is to light a few trillion candles and see what happens. Let's start with the Earth. The planet's atmosphere, oceans, land, and everything else combined have a lot of thermal mass, meaning it takes an insane amount of energy to change its temperature, even slightly. To raise the entire Earth's temperature by 1 degree Celsius, you'd need about 5.4 times 10 to the 21st power joules of energy. That's a 5.4 followed by 21 zeros, or as scientists call it, good luck with that. Now let's talk candles. A single little candle, the kind that drips all over your birthday cake, gives off about 80 watts of heat while burning. That's 80 joules per second. If you let it burn for an entire hour, that's 80 times 3,600 equals 288,000 joules, or 2.88 times 10 to the fifth joules total. Now divide the energy Earth needs by what one candle gives. 5.4 times 10 to the 21st divided by 2.8, 8 times 10 to the fifth equals 1.875 times 10 to the 16th candles. That's about 18 quadrillion candles. If you lit them all at once, you'd have a planet-wide birthday party. And also, no planet left to celebrate. Now to visualize this, a single candle weighs about 30 grams, so 18 quadrillion candles weigh 540 trillion kilograms. That's roughly 10 times the mass of Mount Everest. If each candle was in a little glass jar, they'd cover every square meter of the Earth's surface, land, ocean, and all, with a layer of fire several meters thick. And yes, technically that would heat up the planet by 1 degree, right before it set the atmosphere on fire and turned Earth into a candle itself. For reference, the total human energy use for an entire year is around 6 times 10 to the 20 joules, meaning you'd have to multiply all of civilization's yearly energy use by 9 just to warm up the Earth that 1 extra degree using candles. So there you have it. To heat up the Earth by just 1 degree Celsius, you'd need about 18 quadrillion candles, enough to melt every wax factory on the planet, block out the sun, and guarantee that no one ever wants to celebrate a birthday again. One lights a dinner table, the other ends the dinner party, permanently. Subscribe for more and drop your wildest ideas in the comments. I'll do the math for you.